Good evening and welcome to Tottenham Hotspur Stadium, the world famous home of the Spurs. And this evening we welcome you players, officials and supporters of Manchester United Football Club. And please welcome today's mascots presented to you by Kubo Tire, as well as the two teams, Manchester United.